In this video we are going to look at adding two three-digit numbers together. We will do this using a method called column addition. We will be solving the equation 345 add 257. Our first step is to write out the two numbers we'll be adding together. It is really important that the digits in both numbers are written in the correct columns. For example, our 300s needs to be above our 200s from the 257. This is why we call this method column addition. With all of our hundreds here, all of our tens in the middle column, and all of our ones in the final column. Make sure that you write the addition sign next to your numbers now. Unfortunately, learners will sometimes subtract when the equation asks them to add, and add when the equation asks them to subtract. So it's really important here to check the operation, check that you are adding. Right, we've got our two additions here. We've got 345, 345, 257 and 257. I'm finally going to draw a line leaving a blank row. This row will be used for additional tens, hundreds or even thousands you carry over. If you like, you can write the place value headings for each of your columns. Hundreds, tens, ones. Now we are ready to start solving our equation. You always begin at the far right hand side of your column addition equation by adding your ones together. 5 add 7 makes 12 ones. We put 2 ones in here and we exchange 10 of our ones for 1 10. So we put a 1 in the blank row in our tens column. Now I move on to adding the tens. 4 tens add 5 tens makes 9 tens. We add on the additional 1 10 to make 10 tens. 10 tens is 100, so we place a 0 in our tens column and a 1 in our hundreds. Finally, we move on to adding the hundreds together. 300s add 200s add 100 makes 600s. So our answer is 602.